Hello my lovely students, how are you all? I hope you will be safe and sound in your homes. Myself Mr. Shivam Dhiman and I am your English teacher. Today's topic is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used to describe the action which takes place or which is completed recently in the past time. It is used to express recently completed action. It is used to express recently completed action. Present perfect tense are used to express recently completed action means when we talk about the action or work which has been completed at the time of speaking but in the past time means वो उसने वह काम कर चुका है या काम उसने कर लिया है, कोई काम उसने कर लिया है, वह काम कर चुका है. जैसे अगर हम बात करें कि वह खाना खा चुका है, he has eaten his food, he has eaten his food. तो यूज हम क्या करते हैं प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में? यूज क्या होता है प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का? हेल्पिंग वर्ब जो है हैज और हैव, हैज या हैव फॉर्म ऑफ हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स यूज होती हैं along with the third form of verb और past participle form of verb. थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब का यूज होगा ये पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में हैज और हैव फॉर्म ऑफ हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स यूज हो रही हैं विद वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म या पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. लाइक अगर आपका सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर है तो हैज यूज होगा और सब्जेक्ट अगर प्लूरल है तो हैव यूज होगा. हैज सिंगुलर and have plural. She has ridden on a horse. Ride, rode, ridden. Ride means किसी चीज की सवारी करना. तो जो काम थर्ड फॉर्म में क्या होगा? राइड, सेकेंड फॉर्म में रोड और थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब होगी राइड की ridden. तो she has ridden on a horse. तो उसने घुड़सवारी की है. ठीक है. ऐसे they have cooked the meal themselves. They have cooked the meal themselves. उन्होंने अपने आप खाना बना लिया है. उन्होंने अपने आप खाना बना लिया है. तो they have cooked the meal themselves. उन्होंने खाना अपने आप बना लिया है. तो जो काम हो चुका है जो प्रेजेंट टाइम में कंप्लीट हो चुका है उस वर्ब के लिए हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का यूज करेंगे. सेकेंड, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस इज यूज्ड टू एक्सप्रेस द पास्ट एक्शन whose time has not been mentioned. It is used to express past actions whose time or date has not been known or mentioned. For example, he has been to London. वह लंदन जा चुका है. He has been to London. वह लंदन जा चुका है. तो and third, it is used to express the action which was begun in the which was started in the past time and is continuing in the present time. Means जो आपका प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस है, हम उन पास्ट एक्शंस के बारे में बात करेंगे जो बहुत पहले ही शुरू हो चुके थे बट अभी तक कंटिन्यू हो रहा है, वो प्रोसेस या वर्क अभी भी प्रेजेंट टाइम में कंटिन्यू हो रहा है. He has lived here for 6 months. वो यहाँ 6 महीने रह चुका है. वो यहाँ 6 महीने रह चुका है. Now we will know about how to convert an assertive sentence of present perfect into interrogatives and also the negative ones. Now we will know how to frame the different types of sentences in present perfect tense. Like our assertive sentence, which shows the action is in assertion, which shows the action is happening. Here we will use has or have. In assertive sentence, we will use has or have helping verb with verb third form. Sentence will be, the boy has done his work. The boy has done his work. Meera has driven the car. In negative, we use has or have form of helping verb and not is included with the verb third form. She has not spoken. Third form of verb is speak is spoken. She has not spoken the lie. She has not spoken the lie. They have not worn the proper. Wear, wore, worn. Third form of wear is worn. They have not worn the proper dress. Interrogatives. Helping verb. When we are converting an assertive sentence or negative sentence into interrogatives, we just put the helping verb in the beginning of the sentence and include the question mark at the ending. Has or have in the beginning plus interrogation plus question mark. Like, have you informed about it to your father? Question mark. Have you informed about it to your father? In assertive sentence, has or have is used with the verb third form. The boy has done his work. Meera has driven the car. Negative sentences. In negative sentences, has or have is used with the not. Not is included with the verb third form. Like, she has not spoken the lie. They have not worn the proper dress. And in interrogatives, has or have is used just before the starting of the sentence or just at the beginning of the sentence, with use of question mark at the ending of the sentence, like have you informed about it to your father. So this was the explanation of present perfect tense and how to convert the different type of sentences, or how to frame or form the different types of sentences in the present perfect tense. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day, students.